Hello students, I'm back again with another topic. So today we will be discussing chapter number 6 and also how to delete. Okay, and let's start with the class. So now we'll see how to delete range of cells. First of all, let's talk about how to delete particular row or column. Procedure is same. You have to select a row, have to select delete and select delete sheet rows, then it will be deleted. See, row number 8 has been deleted. Now I want to delete this column number D. Coming to delete in the cells group, selecting delete sheet columns, it has been deleted. Again I want to delete this column name D, so again I am deleting C. It has been deleted. Okay, simple. Now we'll see how to delete range of cells again. Okay, again I'm selecting those cells, coming to the delete drop down menu and availing this delete cells option. Again this dialog box. Okay, first option is shift cells left. That means these particular cells will be deleted, not deleted actually, the data and the entire cell will be deleted, not only the data. Okay, then after deletion, at that blank space, the right hand side cells will be shifted. Okay, that means these 4 cells will be shifted towards the left hand side. Okay, it will be better when I will, okay, let me just cancel it. It will be better when I will show you the result upon these 4 cells. Okay, coming to delete, selecting delete cells and selecting shift cells left. So whenever we will press OK, we will see that these cells has been deleted and also these cells will shift towards the left hand side. That means these cells will take the place of these. Okay, pressing OK. Now see, that's why the name is shift cells left. Now coming to delete again. Okay, let me just press Ctrl Z, otherwise you will not understand. Okay, again I'm applying some other rules. Again it is selected, coming to delete cells, selecting shift cells up. That means whenever these will be deleted, the below cells will be shifted upward. Okay, so let's press delete, OK. It has been shifted upward, but yes, you will see that, ma'am, I don't understand because the below cells were blank. Again showing, not a problem. Okay, see, the data Ankita has been shifted, right? That's how we can delete. Okay, now the thing is, we'll apply delete entire row. That means the row, that means row number 6 will be deleted when I will press OK. Now see, deleted, and the data which were in row number 7 has come to row number 6. Okay, now we'll see how to delete the entire column. Okay, let me just write something here, then we will understand like it has been deleted. Okay, now again I'm writing something here also. Okay, so I'm selecting this one and applying this one, delete cells, entire column, and you will see, though I have selected 78, but this 94 will be deleted also because I am selecting entire column. That means column E will be deleted and this column F with its data, it will be shifted left hand side. Okay, see, okay, that's how we can delete our data as per our choice, and we can edit it as per our choice. Okay, so I think it is clear to you. A very little thing, a very short topic I will discuss. I think all of you already know, but still I am saying how to edit the row height and column width. We have 2 ways again, the shortcut one and the long process. Okay, lengthy process. Okay, so for shortcut, it is very easy. You have to place your mouse pointer. Okay, I'm selecting this one. You have to press your mouse pointer just at the joint of two column names, at the joint of two column names for formatting the column width. You have to press and drag and place wherever you want to. See, that has been increased. And for row height also, you have to place your mouse pointer just at the joint of two row numbers. Okay, and you will see whenever you will place it now, you will see that the icon of your mouse pointer has been changed. Okay, let's show me now. Like this, the mouse pointer icon will be changed, and you have to double click and drag. And if you're using mouse, you have to just click once and drag. Okay, that's how we can format the column width and the row height. Now, what is the lengthy process? What you have to do? Come to format. Within the cells group only, you will find just beside delete format. Okay, there you will see the width option. Okay, come to that. Mention your desired value. Mention your desired value for this particular column which is selected, and press OK. Now see, it has been increased. And same for row number, rows. You have to come to format, come to row height, enter your desired value, press enter. That will be increased. I hope it is clear to everybody how to format the row height and column width. And in daily basis, we follow the actually shortcut procedure, but still for your betterment, you can remember this option, that means format option also. Okay, so that's it. We have completed chapter number 6. Okay, so we will proceed to chapter number 7 in the next class. Till then, bye bye. Having any problem, any doubt, then tell me in the comment section. Okay, so bye bye. Practice at home and be healthy, be fit and be fine. See you soon. Bye.